The boat has no direction. The boat will never reach a destination, no matter where the boat is supposed to go, because it doesn't have a captain on the ship directing it. You take another boat, I'm going to take the same boat, and you put a captain on that ship, and that captain has a destination, and that captain is a captain who knows how to drive the ship 90 to 95% of the time, probably 99% of the time. That ship will reach its destination because it has somebody in the ship directing it to a specific goal, a specific target, a specific vision. It is not that the ship will never go into anything. It's not that the ship won't face any struggles, that it won't go through any storms, but it'll keep making it through that because it has a target.